Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl, I am Reese, and then I'm going to show you guys how to outline your photos. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first thing first, we're going to go ahead and go into PicsArt. As you can see, your photo is going to show up. If you need more photos as you don't see here, of course, go into Proceed, and the rest of your photos will show, all your photos, but I already have a photo right here that I'm going to use. It's not outlined already, so I'm going to pick this photo. So y'all can go ahead and pick your photo. Then after you pick it, you're going to scroll over to your right, and you're going to hit this cutout button right here where you see the scissors. You're going to go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to ask you what do you want to cut out. You're going to have push person, and it's gonna cover your whole entire face. You go ahead and save it at the very top right. Once you save it, you see how everything is cut out correctly. You can go ahead and hit the next button, and then at the bottom below, you can go ahead and save it. And then you go ahead and download the photo to your save to your photos in your phone. That's how you go ahead and do that part. Now we're going to go ahead and outline the photo. So we're going to get out of there, and then you're going to go to Beezart. And that's where Beezart come in place. Now y'all see this plus sign at the very bottom. You go ahead and click on that plus sign. You click on start with the photo. And then that photo that you cut out is going to be right there. You click on it and get out of that. Once you click on the photo, you're going to go ahead and go scroll over to your right, and you're going to see an outline button. It's like a circle. The logo is a circle. Click on that outline, and what it's going to do is automatically outline your whole entire photo. So you can go ahead and play with how big you want the outline. Normally people go with like like something like that or whatnot. You can also change it to whatever color you want the outline to be or whatever, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep it white. Once you do that, you go ahead and save it. And then that's basically outline. And you can go ahead and hit shadow, so you can get like a little shadow on it if you want. You know what I'm saying? So it can kind of look like a 3D motion if that's what you want. Different things. Also, you can change the shadow to different colors as well. But of course, I'm going to keep it black. Okay, so let's go ahead and get out of there. Push the check mark at the very top. And then you're going to go ahead and save this as well. But before you do that, let's go back in there. And let's go ahead and make this picture a little smaller. And it's a reason why we're going to do that. But make it a little smaller, you guys. Trust me, you're going to want to make it smaller. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get out of there. So push this at the very top. Go ahead and click on that to save it. And you're going to see save image. Go ahead and save it. And that's when we're going to go ahead and get out of here. And we're going to go ahead and go into the Eraser app that I had told you guys to download. And once we do that, you're going to go at the very top where you see a little photo in the left corner. You're going to click on that. And then the picture that you Beezart is right there. You're going to click on it. Now, the reason why I told y'all to make it smaller is because Beezart like to put their water logo. If you haven't paid for the membership or whatever, this is an easy way to just get it for free. The watermark right here at the bottom, it will be on your photo if you didn't make it smaller. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that Beezart from the photo. So go ahead and click on, let me go back. I did it a little fast. Go ahead and click on erase at the very bottom. It's the second one from crop to the right. Click on that, and then you can kind of like lower your width of your erase button, and just go ahead and go over the Beezart and get rid of it. That's basically how you do that. Now we're going to go ahead and hit done, and then hit the little exit button at the top with the arrow going out over. Go ahead and click on that. And there you have it, and hit save. Save the photo album. You want to hit yes. Okay. And there you go. And that's how you basically outline your photos. So when you go ahead and want to put your photos in like any type of like anything or whatever, it's going to come out like that. So yeah. So thank you guys for tuning in. That's how that's how you outline your photos. And I'm happy that you guys came to my channel for that information. But like I said, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay? I will see y'all guys in the next video. Make sure you check out my other video on how to do a background for your video. Okay? For your intro. All right, guys. Love you. Talk to you later.